Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 7th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So the pound yen, we still don't have a breakup on sort of time frame, so technically we would still be looking for shorts. I still think there's a good likelihood this move down is a pullback to this last move up, and eventually it is probably going to make a higher low and attempt up again. But while we're looking for shorts, if it just makes lower lows, lower highs, then it goes down and breaks this low, then fine. We've been looking for shorts the whole time anyways, right? So not really too much of a big deal. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I currently have my Fibonacci retracement from here to here because that's the last impulsive move. I would be looking for three waves up. I'd be looking for a Fibonacci bounce, and I'd be looking for a break to the downside to confirm that this is the end of a pullback, and potentially it's actually just going to keep on going down. We are looking for a break to the upside for a possible end of a pullback and continuation of the uptrend, but so far we do not have that. So anything we see to the upside, we have to look at is possibly just a pullback to the last wave down. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.